What's up guys, it's your boy Andre, and we're back here at the Harley-Davidson garage. If you want your motorcycle to breathe freely and have access to unobstructed airflow, you're going to want to check out this Screamin Eagle Extreme Wedge air cleaner. The Milwaukee-Eight engine launched in 2017 with the now iconic wedge-shaped air cleaner. Now it's time to push that icon into the Screamin Eagle Extreme series. Its open-face design and K&N oiled cotton filter provide maximum airflow to your Milwaukee-Eight, resulting in more power throughout the rev range. For all those numbers people out there, it's designed to flow 22% more air than the traditional air cleaner and eliminates the need for a separate air cleaner cover. Another benefit of this layout is that it improves leg clearance as well. This air cleaner was designed for maximum performance. It was specifically engineered to work with the massive Screamin Eagle 68mm throttle body found on Stage 4 products, but it'll also work on the factory-equipped throttle body. This design can help feed a large displacement engine enough clean air that it can support an output of over 150 horsepower. The Extreme Wedge's K&N oiled cotton filter is washable. Simply wash and re-oil it instead of buying replacement filters, so you keep your bike running smooth and you're saving money. This product comes with a standard Rainsoft that helps keep water, dust, and debris from coming in contact with your air filter. So that's extra peace of mind when you're riding in the rain. Harley-Davidson has the Screamin Eagle Extreme Wedge air cleaner available in chrome and black that fit a wide range of Milwaukee-Eight touring models and softail models. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, and we'll see you next time.